Hello, we're students from HSAH.
This is our stem cells PBL Level 2 project presentation about osmosis.
Before we begin our experiment, we'll talk about what osmosis is. Osmosis is when water molecules move through a semi-permeable membrane from an area where there's more water to an area where there's less. This process is super important in living things. It helps plants absorb water, keeps our cells balanced, and even helps doctors design IV fluids. In our experiment, we used a raw egg to represent a cell, and we watched how water moved in and out of it depending on the liquid it was placed in.
To do this experiment, we started with the raw egg. The eggshell is made of calcium carbonate, and when you soak it in vinegar, the acid reacts with the shell and dissolves it. That leaves behind just the membrane, which acts like a semi-permeable barrier, kind of like a cell membrane. We then place the egg in different liquids like corn syrup, which has a higher concentration, and water, which has a lower concentration of solutes. This helped us see how water moves in and out of the egg. We also used a scale to measure how the egg's mass changed, and we kept notes in our journal to track our observations. To be more specific, we used vinegar to remove the eggshell. The acid in the vinegar reacts with the calcium carbonate in the shell, leaving just a soft membrane. That membrane acts like a semi-permeable barrier, just like a cell membrane. When we placed the egg in the water moved into the egg, making it swell. But when we placed it in corn syrup, water moved out of the egg and it shriveled. This is osmosis in action. Water always moves from where there's more of it to where there's less, trying to balance the concentration on both sides. As part of our ELA component, we kept a digital journal throughout the process of the project. Each day we wrote down what we observed, what changed, and what we were thinking. This helped us track our data and also reflect on the challenges we faced. For example, figuring out how long to soak the egg or how to measure the changes within the egg. Writing everything down gave us a better understanding of our progress and helped us stay organized.
Osmosis isn't just something that happens in science experiments, it's happening all around us. In plants, osmosis helps roots absorb water from the soil, which keeps them healthy and upright. In our bodies, osmosis helps cells stay balanced with the right amount of water. It also helps our intestines absorb nutrients and our kidneys filter out waste. Even IV fluids in hospitals are designed using osmosis. They're made isotonic, so they don't damage our cells by making them shrink or swell.
Here is our reference page, where we've listed all the sources we use from the web. This ensures transparency and allows you to explore the original materials if you'd like to dive deeper.
That's it for our experiment. Thanks for watching our presentation. Hope you were all able to learn a little something about osmosis and how it connects to our everyday life. We hope you enjoyed learning with us. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them.